Now, welcome to the broadcast. We start our bulletin with the ongoing Gachagua impeachment hearing, where top lawyers clashed during the evidence adduced by top medic Dr. Dan Gikonyo, who treated the former DP during his impeachment hearing by the Senate. Dr. Dan Gikonyo was put to task to explain whether Gachagua misled the Senate about his illness to avoid impeachment. But Dr. Gikonyo told the court that indeed the former DP was admitted to Karen Hospital and underwent medical assessment on stress-related symptoms. Martin Opio opens our broadcast tonight.
Wednesday, and the hearing of Rigathi Gachagua impeachment case resumed at the Milimani Law Courts. The former DP, accompanied by his wife Dorcas Rigathi and children, sat pensively as top medic Dr. Dan Gikonyo took to the witness box to testify whether, indeed, the former DP fell ill during the Senate impeachment trial.
Your Honor, the reason for his coming to hospital, he called to say he's on the way with chest pain, and we received him and acted accordingly. There's chest pain that can occur if you are going to have a heart attack, medical terms called myocardial infarction. That, when you say you have chest pain in that category, we look at the possibilities of that being real as what we call the risk factors.
Dr. Dan Gikonyo confirmed that among those who called to inquire about Gachagua's health were President William Ruto. However, the doctor would end up clashing with lawyer Muthomi Thiankulu as he probed on the possibility that Gachagua had faked his illness.
Is it not because this gentleman was in your hospital to hide away from the Senate? He was not sick. I put it to you.
Let me laugh a little bit first.
Trust me, I too have been laughing about it.
Now that you have finished laughing, will you please answer the question? Was Rigathi Gachagua sick or not sick? Why are you hiding him in your hospital? Please answer. It is a serious question.
I must say I laugh because I thought it was not a serious question, because maybe it is not common sense. But however, the answer is yes, he was sick. We admitted him. We have data that's available to any medical person.
Gikonyo was taken to task over the disparities in Gachagua's admission time and discharge time.
Your paragraph says he was admitted for how long? 48 to 72? Your paragraph 7.
Sir, please read correctly. Recommended.
And when does it say he was discharged?
On the 20th.
Of which month?
Of October.
Of October, good. And what is the discharge date given in the medical summary?
November.
November. That's actually 34 days later.
Correct.
Correct?
Yes.
You have now attempted in your exam in chief to explain the discrepancy.
Not attempting, I did explain.
Okay. Let's take it, you have explained.
The court was told that Parliament reserves the right to decide on the conduct of leaders holding public office based on delegated powers from the electorate, with the IEBC distancing itself from the role of nominating deputy president following an impeachment, as the roles remains the prerogative of the president and the National Assembly. Martin Opio, KTN.